first step is to take the coefficients in the main polynomial and write them inside the bracket. So here we will have 1, -2, -8, and -35. The next step is to take the linear term that you're dividing your polynomial by and find its root. So we do this by setting x minus 5 equal to 0, move 5 to the other side, and get x equals 5. So that value, +5, we will put as our divisor. And now the first step is to bring down the first coefficient, which for this problem is 1. And then what we will do is we're going to multiply the 1 times the divisor, which is 5, and put it below the second coefficient. And so we get 1 times 5 is 5. Then we're going to add that answer to the second coefficient, which is -2. So we will do 5 plus -2, and we'll put that below. What you get is 3. Then we will repeat the exact same steps. We will do 5 times 3 to get 15, put it below the third coefficient, add the third coefficient to that answer, so -8 plus 15 to get 7, and then repeat again. 5 times 7 is 35, then 35 plus -35 is 0. So now we have a remainder of 0. And now the way that you write your final answer is you want to write the answer as one order less than the original polynomial that you're dividing into. So what I mean is that our original polynomial is to the order of x cubed. So our final answer is going to be one order less. So we will be x squared rather than x cubed. And we can then take the numbers that we get down here and we can put them in front. So here, our final answer will be 1x squared plus 3x plus 7 with a remainder of 0. So this here is our final answer. So now I'm going to do another example. This time we'll have a negative divisor and we'll actually get a remainder. And I'll go a little faster this time. So the first step is to write the coefficients inside the brackets. And then we will find the root of the linear factor. And we'll write that as the divisor. Then we're going to bring down the first coefficient. And then we will do 2 times -2 to get -4. And we'll do -4 plus -3 to get -7. -7 times -2 to get 14. 14 plus 4 to get 18. 18 times -2 to get -36. -36 plus 5 to get -31. So now you can see that we actually have a remainder. And again, the way that we write our answer is we have to do one order less than our original polynomial. So we know our first term will start off as x squared. And we'll give it a coefficient of 2. Then we'll do minus 7x plus 18 with a remainder of -31. This here is how we write out our solution.